What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Kenny Felice and this is Felice Travels. So I thought it would be pretty creative and cost effective, low budget for me to coffee stain these Air Force Ones. I already have my water boiling. I do have a nice big container of Bustelo coffee and I have my bin to go with it. I also have my acetone, some Q-tips. So I'm gonna start prepping these sneakers and we're gonna get right into the video. I'm gonna show you how the process from start to finish and we're gonna figure out if it is easy and if you should do it too. So if you're new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a thumbs up on this video and comment below any suggestions you have for any next videos. I have a lot of exciting spots to show you guys in DR, by the way. We about to be lit. First thing I'm gonna do is take these laces off too before we get going. All right guys, I have my acetone here, got my Q-tips right here. So I'm just wiping this shoe all around with the acetone. This reminds me of being in a nail salon with my mom, waiting for her to finish doing her nails and get all bougie. This stuff definitely smells strong, so be prepared for that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove these laces. I'm gonna pass some of it around the tongue as well here. I'm also gonna take these laces off on the other shoe and we're gonna wipe this down. I'm hoping this comes out right. You only have one chance, I only have one pair. So if I mess up, you know, we'll see how it turns out. I got my water boiling, by the way guys. I recommend you put 3 large pots of boiling water just so that it's enough to submerge the sneaker, and I'll show you guys that soon. So again, here I am with my acetone, just wiping the shoe, hoping this stuff gets rid of the finish, you know. Now here's the most important part. It's important that you get a Q-tip, dip it in the acetone, and just wipe all of these corners right here so that you can really get the finish off of the shoe. See how I'm wiping these edges? I'm doing the next shoe now. By the way, everything I bought, the bin, the Bustelo coffee, the Q-tips, I bought that at Walmart, and if you quickly just want to buy everything, have it sent to your house in 3 days, click the link below on this video so you can just purchase it, put it in your shopping cart, and you'll have the kit for you to stain your Air Force Ones. My water's all boiled, so we're gonna dump them in there and then put the coffee and we'll see what happens. Let's go. So here's my bin, guys. Here's the first one. I hope this doesn't melt the bin or the sneakers. So guys, you don't want to boil your water, you just want to make sure it's just starting to bubble. Here's the second pot going right in. Alright guys, I got my Bustelo. Si no hay Bustelo, no hay nada, papi. Ya tú sabes, es lo mejor que hay. So let's just open this up. I recommend you guys get this one. Again, I got this one at Walmart. Link below for you guys to purchase everything you need to do this right at home. We're gonna dump it in there and mix it a little bit. And I recommend you guys do the whole thing, not just a little bit. Mixing this all up. Ooh, I'm about to just get a cup, dunk it in here and drink some coffee. No, I'm kidding. It's looking real dark, which is good. I wanted a nice dark color, you know. Let's go get our sneakers and dump it in, baby. It's go time. Got my shoes right here. Recommend putting a rock on top of the shoe. Gotta make sure it's submerged for a couple hours, so. Oh my God. Oh, it's hot. Ooh, very hot. Ouch, got burned there. I hope I didn't destroy these sneakers. All right, I'm gonna get some rocks and put them right on top of there. Yeah, we're pretty submerged. Some bubbles coming out of the shoe. I think I'm good money. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna leave these babies in here and then we'll check in with the final result. Reminder to have the whole shoe submerged. So I got another rock. Make sure I take care of that spot too. So we're gonna wait for about 2 hours. So I'll be back at around 6 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock now. It's been about 2 hours that we've been staining the sneakers. I'm so excited to show you guys and I'm nervous at the same time. We won't.
Ooh, it smells good.
It smells like coffee, right? So this is our first shoe. I just wish it was a little bit more stained, but I know that after 2 hours, it's not gonna get any darker than this. And these are the parts that I'm talking about, like the Nike logo right here. You make that as white as you could just to accent the shoe. So what I'm gonna do is just wipe these clean with a Q-tip and then we'll dunk it back in. see what this one looks like. This one looks good. Yeah, so we're just rinsing this off, guys. As you can see, these lines, it's because the product was still left. So I'm gonna get a Q-tip, go back with the acetone, and hopefully that'll fix that issue for us. There's so much coffee in here, oh my God. All right, guys, I'm going to get some acetone and just try to get rid of these streaks that you see here. And hopefully that'll make the shoe look a little better. So I have my acetone, so I'm just gonna go back and see if this just comes off. They have to go back into the coffee just to make sure that I restain those parts that I removed with the acetone. We'll put these in for another 30 minutes and we'll come back and check on them. That's looking way better. I'm a little bit more impressed with these results. You just don't have any scuffs, any stains. We're gonna rinse these babies off. We're gonna bring them inside. I'm gonna wash the white parts with Dawn soap. We'll bring them inside and then we should be good. We are completely done. Last night I left these sneakers outside. I let them dry in my backyard. I just put the laces on them. What do you guys think? Did I just destroy a pair of Air Force Ones that could have been simply clean? Or is this a vibe? We'll see if it's a hit or miss. Y'all let me know so I could keep myself out of ruining some sneakers. But yo, I'm not gonna lie, I love the color. It's definitely a vibe. And this is the final result. Y'all go ahead and let me know what y'all think in the comments right now. So far, I'm a little impressed with the result. It came out looking real nice. Again, you know, this was just a nice experiment. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This was a quick tutorial on how to coffee stain your Air Force Ones. If you have them laying around, might as well get creative with them. Comment down below any suggestions for a next video. Thank y'all for showing the peace, love, and support. Subscribe to Felice Travels. My name is Kenny. We will see y'all in the next video. Peace.